Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com. I'm going to show you where a water pump is. A lot of water pumps are buried inside an engine where you have to come up and you have to change the timing belt and tensioner, and the water pump usually runs off the timing belt and tensioner. But some other cars, it's an external water pump. Ford, Honda, external water pump. Easy to get at, usually 6 or 7 bolts. You'll see one right here. This drives a little impeller inside the engine that circulates water from the radiator through the engine to keep the engine nice and cool. What happens is those brass impellers degrade over time and they don't pump water. So your water pump's spinning, but it ain't pumping anything. Or they'll leak a little bit of antifreeze out of the bottom of the water pump, which means that the shaft is worn, the bearing's worn, the seal is worn. Time for a new water pump. Not a hard job. You can do it. I know you can. Check out some videos online. YouTube's a great source. Make sure to mention your make and model. You'll get right to it. We've got the parts for you here at Parts Auto. Get out there and do it, man. The part you need now? PartsAuto.com.
The part you need.